How to obtain a first-class rank. 1. Set clear goals. Define what achieving a first-class rank means for your program. 2. Create a study schedule. Allocate specific times for studying and stick to it. 3. Attend classes regularly. Be present to grasp and retain course material. 4. Understand the material. Focus on mastering concepts rather than memorizing. 5. Participate in class. Engage in discussions and ask questions to clarify doubts. 6. Use study resources. Leverage textbooks, online materials, and academic journals. 7. Practice consistently. Solve practice problems and review past exams. 8. Seek regular feedback. Get input from professors to improve your performance. 9. Stay organized. Track deadlines and assignments to manage your workload efficiently. 10. Balance your life. Ensure good health with proper rest, nutrition, and relaxation.